right, so really cool installation here. We've got our service panels that are going up next week. We're pouring concrete today. The great thing about National EV is how fast we are with our projects. So we contacted the utility company. We got what we needed. We gave them a one-line diagram and a load analysis. Then we came out here, we marked off our locations, got client approval, cut concrete, dug our trench, put in all of our electrical, and now we came back, put the rebar in, put the pads in for our EV chargers, and just like that, we're ready to have this installation complete. We will have concrete poured by about 1 o'clock today. And the great thing is that once that is done, we'll set the chargers, pull the wire, and set the service panels, and this project will be complete. We are really excited to be working with this Dodge group. We're really popular with Stellantis. We use the Stellantis preferred EV charger, and all I can say is we're thankful that we've got these opportunities, and we're thankful that National EV employees have great backgrounds in electrical and engineering, as well as in turnkey installation and construction. Please give us a call if you're interested. Look forward to talking to you.